This is the Kelly Creates Learn Brush Lettering Practice Pad. This is for beginners. This is a hardcover. It has a spiral top notebook, which I love about it because when you're writing, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you're not going to have those spirals digging into your hand. What this is and what makes it unique is that it offers the transfer sheets. It's on top of the practice sheets, so you get multiple pages of practice. As you can tell here, I've practiced some of my curves, and it offers lowercase and uppercase, and each section has multiple transfer sheets, so you can continuously practice directly on top of the practice pages. I really love this about it. It stays flat, that way it's easy to store. This would make a fabulous gift for anyone who's learning to or wanting to increase their handwriting skills, to learn calligraphy, even block lettering. This thing is perfect. I highly recommend it.